Recording in progress. Good morning. Good morning. All righty. Okay, we got a pivot here, so I'm going to take this profit here real quick. Hold on. Let me see this candle here. About 1500. Look at the candle. Look at the candle. So it's going to continue going down. Our target is 73. Let's see if we can hit 73. Let me see. Look at the candles. Look at the candles. They're still closing down to the bottom. Still going down. I'm gonna sell 5 here. I'm gonna get out 5. Take profit 1500 there, and then I'm at a bounce here. So I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna close this trade here. So let's see what we made on this trade here. Okay, we made 1800 on this trade here, so we're good. Okay, so 73. Okay, check this out. At 73, you have a pivot, you have a bounce at 73. Hey guys, this is going to bounce up, so the price has to break here. So this is exactly what happened. Price comes up right there at the pivot. Look at this. Look at the way it bounced here. Came up, came down, went up, came down. Same thing has to happen here. This is still a downtrend. This is still a downtrend here. So let's see what has to happen here. Price has to come up in this area here. It has to break the pivot. There's no other way around. Excuse me. There's no other way around it. It has to break the pivot if it's going to go up. It'll use the pivot as a support. It'll break pivot first for a resistance, and it'll break. Then it comes up to here. So the next level would be, so your next level to the upside would be 78 and a quarter, 78 and a quarter, because I'm looking at resistance here. This is what I'm looking at. No, for you guys on Facebook, no, this is a support level. This is a support level. Our target is 73 to the downside. 73 to the downside, and still going down. Still going down here. Okay, so it has a pivot. Look what's going on here. You got an inverted. There's no reason for price to go up because you got an inverted candle. This should have pushed down. This should have pushed down. There's no reason price would going up. So they're taking profits. The market's taking profits. And this should have went down. There's no doubt about it. This price should have went down. There's no reason should be going up. No reason this price should be going. Absolutely not. No way. No way. This should not be going up. It should be coming down. Should be coming down right there. Let's say this is a 50-50 trade here. 50-50 trade. This is a bounce here. We're going to check this out real quick. If it doesn't break through, I'm going to get out of the trade. If it doesn't break through, I'm going to get out of the trade because this could easily be a bounce. So I'm going to be looking at the candles. Watch. I'm going to be looking at these candles here, see in what direction it's going. So based on the candles, we'll know where we're going to be at. Okay. So this here is still a downtrend. Still a downtrend. Engulfing. So you get an engulfing bar and a hammer. So price should go up, but this is what I want you to see here real quick here. If you hear construction, we're in construction here, so bear with me over there. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Man, this is still a downtrend. It wants to push. The candles are saying it wants to go up. The candles are saying it wants to go up here. Candles are saying it wants to go up. pivot. Okay, so we're going to take a reversal. We're going to take a reversal. If you're looking to buy, you buy now. If you're looking to buy, you buy now. If you're looking to buy, you buy now. If you're looking to buy, put your buy limit should be at 78. Buy limit, if you're going to buy, it's going to be at 78. Well, let's see, 77.50. So you want price to come up, close solid, and go long. Let's see where we're at. So right there, there it is, right there. So this is where it bounces. So price comes up. Let me make some notes here real quick. Real quick here. Let's see. So price comes up. Whoops, that's support. Sorry, guys. So your buy, it's at 77.50 to go long. No. Who asked that question? No. Hold on. Let me check real quick. Let me make these notations and I'll answer that question. Okay. Let me move you over to the other headset. Okay, hold on real quick. Hold on. Trying to put on two headsets here. Okay. All right, guys. There we go. Okay. So the question. All right. So Facebook. Who was the question on Facebook? Do I see pivot as a resistance or support? No. I see it as a resistance. So price is going to. Let me give you where price wants to go. Price wants to go to the back. To the last, okay, here we go. Watch this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you. You hear construction, we're on construction, guys, so it's kind of loud. So this is going to be your last point of resistance. Your next part of resistance or your next level of resistance would be here. That would be your resistance high for the day. The new high for the day. Let's see where it opened. The new high, this would be considered. Okay, so this here is the high for the day. 150, the new high. So your buy, if you're going to enter, is at 77.50, 77.50 to go long. 77.50 to go long, right? Let's see, where are we at right now? 77.50. Okay, so this is it right here. We want to close solid through there. You want to go solid. You want look. Let me just real quick. This is going up. It's not going down. It shouldn't go down. It should go up. This is going up to your next level. Your next level should be retracement at 79 to 80, 50. There's no reason for price to go down. That's just them taking profits. This is choppy. This should have went up. Let me just tell you why price should have went up. Let me just tell you why price should have shot up. Hold on real quick. Hold on. Okay, so this is why I say price should have shot up. You get an engulfing bar. Price comes back down, retraces, doesn't close at the bottom. See that? Doesn't close at the bottom. All of a sudden, you get an engulfing bar. You get a hammer, an engulfing bar, hammer. This should have went up. So now you have an inverted here. So inverted means it wants to push up, but there's a lot of pressure. Look, long-legged hammer. Ooh, can't avoid that. Long-legged hammer pushing up. So this should push up over the pivot, should push up over the pivot. This should go, ooh, nice. This should go over the pivot. This should be definitely over the pivot. Okay, so we're not, look, let's make this clear. We're not saying it's going, okay. The question on Facebook, we're not saying it's not going down. We're going by the candles. Look, you got two hammers in, then you get an engulfing bar. This has to push up. Not that it has to push up, but that's what it's telling you. It's trying to push up. Now, look, you got an inverted. This candle has to close solid there. This candle will push you to the blue line. Here we go. Blue line right here. So there should be a push here to the blue line right there. Look, one more. blue line, blue line, blue line. No, blue line. There it is right there. So let's see where we're at right there. We're at 875, 875. I'm going to cut half of that. I'm just going to cut half of that, take some profit. I'm going to take 500 off of that. I'm going to take another 500 off of that one. I'm going to take another 500 off of that one, profit. And here we go to our target, 8. Here we go. Here we go. I'm going to take another 500 off of that. That'll give us 2 grand. Anybody in this trade with me? How much are you making? 500. Okay, you're out. Okay, good. So we got the price going on the opposite side, right? So, all right. So to answer that question, let me just answer that question real quick. So, okay, no. Okay, hold on, Facebook, hold on. I got 2 questions there on Instagram too. All right. So what triggered us to go long? Right here, look. Very easy. Look where we went long. So the first time, Kerry, you can see these charts here, right? Okay, so I'm going to explain it to these guys. I got an Instagram real quick and a Facebook. You're talking about the first arrow, right? This one here? That one? Okay. So look, in my mind, I see a setup. Okay, so this is what I see. That right there is a prediction, right? I should have put it on there, but the market's going so fast. So my target would be, my target was 79, which we went up to 80. Yeah, you guys are asking a lot of questions real quick. Hold on. No, I see it. Man, this has potential to go up, but the overall is to the down. It has potential to go up, but look at the weakness here. This is all weakness here. So it's telling you there's weakness. It wants to push up. It's weakness and it's telling you it wants to go up. So watch this. So I pulled the trigger here on this first one, right? So the reason why I pulled the trigger on this one here, it's because I had an engulfing bar. I had a hammer, right? Go along with me, right? Engulfing hammer, engulfing hammer. So that means I bought here. When I saw this hammer, I bought here. No reason for it to come down. It took some profit. Price inverted. Then I see this long-legged hammer, and I bought here again. Okay, I bought here. Then I see this other hammer. I should have bought again. There was no reason for me not to buy another contract. So the price went up. And as you see these red arrows, ooh, here we go. What's going on here? What's going on? Here, you see it too, Kerry? You see it too? Okay, I'm going to see if I can get $100 off of this one real quick. I see it. 125, 225. Come on, baby, get up there. Let's go to 80. There's 225, 285, 165. Come on, baby. There's no reason for you to retract. I see that hammer. I see the engulfing bar. I see you want to go up. There you go. Good girl. Come on, get up there. Get up. 80. I'm going to take these 500 here. So that puts us up at, I think, 28 for the day. 28, 37, 50. Nice. Okay, so this is a retracement. This is still going up. You got an engulfing bar. You got a hammer, engulfing bar, hammer. This is still going up. Hammer, going up. 83. Whoa. Wait. Okay, so this is going to have to push, meaning you got a major resistance here. So if you're in a trade, get out of the trade for now. Just get out of the trade for now. 8150 is an area very strong. So if it pushes up, it has to close solid. There it goes. It has to close solid. Look, it has to close solid. There it is. It has to push. Look. Has to push. If not, it'll sell. There it is. You're off to the races. off to the races. A little bit of resistance here, right? A little bit of resistance. I believe it's going to retrace and continue going up. Retrace and still go up. There it is. Retrace and go up. Let me see. I'm going to look. I'm going to see if this is a very risky trade for me. Very, very risky trade for me. I'm just going to see if I can get $100 out of this. So I'm playing the top. I'm playing the hammer, playing the inverted, and I'm saying it's going to go down. If it retraces 83, I'm dead. I'm dead at 83. So if it gives me a hammer and an engulfing bar, I'm done. I got to get out of this trade. So this is a very, very touchy trade for me. So I'm saying I'm going to get $100 out of this, but I'm going to check this out. Here we go. Try to get 100. I'm going to try to get $100. I'm selling. So excuse the noise, guys. We're renovating here. Come on. Here's 100. Here's 100. Here's 100. Come on, baby. Here's a 125. Oh, I'm getting greedy now. 125. Come on, get down. Don't do it. Don't do it. I'm looking for $100 here. Can I get 100? Can I hit? I see 100. Ooh, I see 300 here. I see 300. 79. Wait. 79. 79. 79. Let me see. Ooh, here we go. 125. I'm going to take the 125. Ooh. That's one thing. You got to be fast on the draw. Fast on the draw. Come on, get down there. I'm going to get out of this trade. This is too volatile. I see it. I don't know why I see it to the downside here. I see the resistance. I see the support. I see it wants to come down to 79. I see it when I'm going to take that 187, 225, 187. Oh my God. Why don't I pull the trigger faster? Now it's up. Now I'm gone. I'm dead now. I should have took that right there. So this is a reversal for me. Crazy. Ooh, it's raining outside. It's raining. Where are we at? Where are we at on that reversal? I had to reverse myself. Where are we at? 225. Come on. 500. I got to get out. Let me see. No. I'm going to get out of this trade here on this reversal. All right. So this is what's going to happen here. Check this out. So price will come in. All right. Check this out. So we topped here, right? So price is going to come in here. It's going to retrace. This is going to go down, guys. This is going to go down. Even though it's pushing up, it's going to go down. So this is going to go down right here. I see it going down. I see it going down from here. Yes. Man, I'm sorry I didn't answer that question, bro. I'll get to you right now. I'm just trying. I have a live class on a Zoom. I got 2 Zoom classes going. So, okay, hold on real quick. Oh, man. No, even though it's pushing. Yeah. Exactly. So I see it coming to the pivot. I see it coming to 76 and then perhaps taking off, maybe, right? So I see it coming down to 76, 75, and right here, I see it coming down to right here. And then using the pivot, maybe even using the pivot to bounce from the pivot here straight up again. So watch this. Watch here. It's going to touch. Green all the way. Watch. Look at the green candle. This is the pivot. If it breaks the pivot, retrace the pivot, then we're going to sell. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. So that's a nice, this is a bounce here, right? So let's see what happens here. Okay, so look, price goes up, price comes down, price. So now we're looking for price to come straight down, right? So we're going to come down to, let's see what we're coming down to. We're coming down to 74. Wow, 74, that's it. 74 is an area. Okay, 74 is an area. All right, so let's do this. Let's do this. No buying, guys. No buying. Do not buy. Yes, it wants to push, but don't get yourself in trouble. No buying. Absolutely no buying. Don't buy. Don't buy. No buying. No buying. Do not buy. Do not buy. You got a hammer. You got an invert. Check this out. If it pushes up, they're taking profits. So there's nothing we can do. Based on support, based on resistance, these hammers, they're not telling us it's going up. It's telling us it's going down. So they're going to do what they want, right? But check this out. So you get an inverted. You get a hammer, but then you get this weakness. So this is not a push to the upside. This is to the downside. So if you're going to go long, let's be patient and wait for it. Because I see it to the downside. I don't see nothing going up. I mean, for me, okay, man, for me, this is what it would have to happen if I saw this going up, or if there was something going on. It would have to come back down to 74. Price would have to come way up here, right? Price would have to go way up there. Retrace all this right here, right? All this here has to be retraced. And it can only go to 81 anyway. So that's your target. Forget it. That's your target right there. 81 would be your target, and then it would start selling off here. So pretty much it would get you in trouble. Pretty much it would get you in trouble right here. So be patient. Just be patient. Be patient. Don't get in a hurry. Just wait for it. It has to crawl out of 81, retrace 81. So if it was going to go long, I'm just letting you know what I see, okay? So it would have to crawl out of 81, 81 and a quarter. If you're an aggressive trader, but you have a lot of resistance here. You got a lot of resistance. Right in here, you got a lot of resistance. So to me, price has to come up way up in here, retrace it. I got to see some red here. I got to see some red come down here. A little bit of red. Where's the red? Where's the red? Got to see some red there. Okay. This is the high for the day. That's a new high for the day. So this is going up. This is going up. It just broke that high there. There's going to be a retracement. The next level is 87. No, I'm not in this trade. Nope. Let me see. Copy this. 87. Man, it's calling for 87. I'm going to go 86.50. I'm not buying. I'm looking to sell. I'm looking to sell. I'm not looking to buy. I'm looking to sell. I'm not looking to buy. I'm looking for an opportunity to go short, not long. I'm looking for an opportunity to go short. All right, let's see what we got here, guys. Okay. No, because they weren't. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I didn't answer that, right? Okay. No, because it wasn't a clear signal for me. It wasn't a clear signal for me. Man, that's interesting. The way you're seeing it, it's interesting. Okay. For me, I'm not looking to buy. I want price to come all the way to the pivot. From the pivot, it's going to make a rally, right? It's going to make it'll make a rally somewhere in here, somewhere in this traffic here. It'll make a little rally there. And then from the pivot back down to the low of the day. I believe this is the low of the day, isn't it? Let me see. No, it's not the low of the day. So I'm going to move this out of the way. 9 o'clock. Let's do some history here. 9 o'clock. That would be the bottom. So I would say price would come back to the bottom. So I'm going to move this here. 73, it looks like. I'm not looking to buy. I'm not looking to buy. I'm not looking to buy. Absolutely not. Not looking to buy at all. I'm not looking to buy. See where we're at. We're only making $1,900. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I'm gonna buy some here. Get out of this trade a little bit here. Take some profits. I'm gonna take some profits here. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't you dare. I know you're coming down to the pivot. Come on, baby. Get down there. Get down there. Am I going to have to get out of this trade? All right, I'm going to get out of this trade. 825. Oh, man. Okay. Okay, look at that. Oh, man. I got out early. Got out early. Got out early. Oh, I hate that. I hate that. Got out early. Okay. So there's a little push here. There's a little push. Just look at the pattern. Price comes down, price runs up. So price is going to come to the pivot. This is your target right here. Pivot is your target. Okay. I'm gonna answer that for you in just a minute. So this is my target right here. I'm saying price is going to come in this area. Right here. This. I would say this would be your target. I'm going to move it right here, right? So price rallies and then it tries to sell. Man, I mean, yes and no. Yes and no. I mean, the thing is that look, it's going to push up. It's going to push up right here. Look, it's going to push up here. Engulfing bar, hammer, engulfing bar. It wants to push up. I don't trust it to the upside. I'm not looking to buy. Again, I'm not looking to buy. Even how pretty it looks, it doesn't. I need a bounce. I need a bounce. I need a hammer. I need an engulfing bar, and it has to be at resistance. So in other words, for me to take a long, price has to be in here. Price has to be in here for me to go long, right in here at these tops. So I can't go long. I got to go short. You know what I mean? I can't. No. Even if it goes up, I can't go long. I'm not looking to go long. By any means, I'm not looking to go long. It would have to retrace. It has to look. It has to close solid, right? No, see, look. It has to close solid and then take off. Here you can buy. I don't know how far it'll go up. Maybe to 81. There's this you can buy right here. This would go to 81. Next level would be 82.50. An 82.50 level right there. Let's see. We're going to try it right here. 82.50 level. Let's see what happens here. We may get hurt. Ooh. Got way too many contracts on that. What? How did I get 14 contracts on it? Oh, man. All right. I may have to get out of this trade here. I don't know. I thought I had 4. I don't know why I said 4, but it's 14. So I'm going to have to hold on to this puppy now. So one thing I got to tell you got to check your contract because I saw 4 on my platform and it's 14. So I may just take this loss here. Let me see. Here. Let me see what will tell me to get out of this trade. Let's see what it's going to tell me. Okay, retracement. There's a retracement there. Let's see. There's a retracement right in here. There it is. Hits the pivot right there. Look, hits the pivot. Hits the pivot. Okay, so I'm going to have to reverse here. Ain't no choice, but I got to reverse here. That was the pivot right there. So this is wanting to go, wow, this is wanting to push up a little bit, but it's no big deal. All right, I'll answer it for you right now. Okay, so I'm going to go back. I don't mind answering it. Yeah. No, I don't have a problem with it. Let me answer it for you. Okay. You're talking about my last trade? You're the one on Instagram, right? Uh-huh. Okay. All right, let me get out of this trade real quick, and then I'll answer that because I'm in a trade right now. I'm selling right now. Let me get out of this trade real quick. Hold on. Let me get out of this trade. Okay, so I'm going to sell. I'm going to buy. I'm going to get some profits here real quick. There it is right there. This is still going to continue going down. Wow, I got out way too soon. Can I get a little bit more? Let me see what I can get out of it. Man, I keep doing that. What's going on here? 7. I'm going to buy 7 here. I'm going to buy 7. Let me see what I can take here. See if I can take a little bit here. We go 750, 850, 1,000. I'm going to take this here, 1,000. Boom. All right, so I'm going to go back to your question. I'm going to go back. How you doing there, Carrie? You doing all right? Carries? How you doing? How are we doing? You good? All right, you're doing good. You're in the profit. You're making a little bit of money there. All right, so this is still down. There's a retracement, but this is still down. Okay, this is, let me see. You got a pivot. Wow, there is no pivot here. Okay, so if we can get this to retrace, if we can get this to retrace, this is going to sell off here. I know it's pushing, but if it does, wait. Hammer. Has to close at the bottom. If not, it's going to go up. If not, this is going to push up. This is going to push up. Hold on to the sell. This is pushing up. This is going back to 73. Okay, here we go. So in here, I'm just going to make some notations. If you have your own charts there, in here is your sell. So if you're going to do a sell limit, the sell limit would be right at the bottom here. Because I see this going, this could easy go down here. Easily go down. Let's see what you got. We only got 7 contracts on this, so I'm going to see if I can just get it to go. To, that is the bottom. All right, so we have no bottom here. That's 700. I'm going to take this. This is going to push down more. Here it goes. I'm going to take this here. What do I got here? 787, 7. Come on, baby. Push. Give me 1,000. Come on, baby. There you go. That's what I'm talking. I'm going to get out. I'm out. 1064, 1062. Sorry, guys. Anybody get that? You did? Awesome. So this has no floor. Floor at 65. Floor at 65. Fibonacci showing 65. I'm going to give you 65.50. Okay. We'll give you 65.50, showing the floor right here. No, 60, 60, 65, but that's the floor. Okay, so there's going to be some green candles here. Some green candles. There you go, some green candles. All right, guys. Is it okay if I answer some questions on YouTube? That cool with you guys? Okay, let me just answer a couple of questions here real quick. I have somebody on that I should have answered a question earlier. So I thought it was going to be easier having multiple classes, but it's not. It's not. Okay, so I'm going to go back to this trade. So, all right, for you guys that are selling, this is still selling. So if you're going to put a stop limit, it's going to bounce here. You're going to see some green candles here, but if you're going to sell, you're going to sell at 64.50 is your sell limit, because the next level to the downside, is 54. So if you can get this to go here, if you can get it to retrace 65 to 64, 64.50, it's going to sell. So this is going to go down. I'm not looking at it, but I can tell you where the lines are at. I can't see it, but my Fibonacci's show me that the next levels to the downside is 62, 62, 61 to all the way to 54. I would say 55. I would say 55. Better yet, how about 58? How about 58? How about if we cut it off at 58? 58. Now you're going to see some green here. There's a little retracement here. All right, let me go back here real quick, guys. So I get in this because I get an engulfing bar. Hold on, we're doing some construction here. Engulfing bar, hammer, I go long, retraces, go long. It catches me, goes down a little bit. I go long again. I see a retracement. I see where the price goes. It offsets me here. So I go long. I see this long-legged, right? And then I see this hammer. I see this hammer engulfing, and I go long. It confirms me with a second long-legged hammer, and I take it all the way up. I sold here, I sold here, I sold there, sold here. So I was able to make that trade. My next trade, price goes up, I'm offset here, right? Oh man, that's something that, let me just tell you, that's something that you'll see. You're going to learn these patterns. You're not going to learn overnight. This is why I tell you, it's good. It's always good to get a mentor, somebody that can kind of walk you through, what's the word? Encourage you through the trade. Tell you yes, no, where you can see him trade to help you trade. My next trade was right here, the arrow here. What got me in here was that I was offset right here. Price comes back up. I get an engulfing. Engulfing breaks resistance here, hammer, and I'm long. And then I'm out here. So just to let you know. Where we going? Where we at, guys? Where we at? We got a bounce here? Okay. No problem. Okay, look, you got a hammer going up, got a hammer going up, got a hammer, got a hammer. What you need here is an engulfing bar. You need a candle that's going to close this candle. Engulfing bar to the upside. If not, you got nothing. You got a hammer, you need an engulfing bar. You need a green candle to take that out right there. Nope, it didn't take it out. There it is. There you go. There you go. That's the buy right there. See? Oh, man, this is awesome. It's nice when you can see them. I mean, you know what I mean? It's nice when you can see them. This is going to push to the upside. It looks like it wants to push here. 265. Come on, baby. Give me something here. Come on. Give me something to work with here. Ooh, you got me in that trade, didn't you? She got me in that one. I saw the engulfing. I saw the hammer, the engulfing, and it got me into a trade. But, let's see what's going to happen here. We're not quitters. So I got an engulfing bar, hammer, hammer, hammer. I got a hammer, hammer, hammer. This is going to give me a little profit. So I'm looking to close. I'm looking to have price. Let me see. I'm looking to have price close. If not, I got to get out of this. I need price to go to 67. 67. I got 700, 900. Ooh, I retraced it. This is going up. Man, I got to get out of this trade. I'm going to take the 460. This is still to the upside. So if you're going to put a buy limit, your buy limit is going to be, listen up, your buy limit is going to be, your buy limit, if you do a buy limit, do one contract only to see where this market is going. Put your buy limit right there. Don't mess with it. You're offset. Yes, you are. No. Price would have to go retrace it. So look, you're offset. Now you have a hammer. You got a hammer. Now you need an engulfing bar. It closed it. So now you need a candle. You need a candle to come up to here, right there. It has to close solid. That would trigger, that would close, and the price. That candle, next candle should take you to 67.50, 67.75. So this is a long position, right? This is a long position. So this is a long position here. Let's see what we got. $87. Hammer, hammer, hammer. I'm just going to take a little profit. I just want to show you here. A little profit here. 87. Come on, baby. Get up there. Don't mess with us. Don't play with us. Don't play with us. Come on. Come on. We need resistance. There we go. There we go. Right there. Here we go. Just a little bit. Just a little bit here. Oh, come on. Engulfing. Hammer, hammer, hammer. Come on. You got to be pushing up, man. Uh-oh. I'm out. Oh. This has to close this here. To be successful. Okay. Look, I may take a loss here. So that candle, this candle, the only way to make it successful, this is an inverted. This tells you that price wants to shoot down. Not that it's going to go down or retrace, because it would have to come down, retrace. This is telling you that the price is going down. So look, hammer, price up. Inverted, price down. Hammer up, we need a green candle to take this out right there. You need a real green candle, a solid candle. Not good. It has to take out the blue. Come on, baby, get up there. Get up there. Come on, get up there. Get up there. Take it as yours. Take it. There it is, right there. We got, ooh, Jesus Christ. Oh, man. What happened here? So you had the hammer, engulfing. Ooh, so this is crazy right here. So I'm going to take a quick profit right here, or I'm going to get out of this trade. Why do I see it to the upside? What's going on here? I see it to the upside. What's going on? What's happening here? I'm going to take a loss. Man, I see this to the upside. What is going on here? I see you going up. Why? Why are you selling? So I got an engulfing. I got a inverted, small inverted. Man, I see you going up. What is going on here? I can't get out of this position. I see you going up. I see you going up to 60. Let me see. I see you going up to, let me see some history here. Ooh, I see you going up to way up here, 67. Come on, baby, let's do it. That's my target, 67. 67. Come on, baby, 67. Give me 67 here. 67 to the upside. 67 to the upside. 67. Come on, dude. Really? Should have took my profits right there. One thing I do know, you got to be quick on the draw. Quick on the draw. quick on the draw. Come on, baby. So your target, I'm going to give you a target here. Target, let's see, our target would be, let's see where our target's at. One thing about this, you can't be afraid to take a loss, man. That's one thing I can tell you. If you see something, take it. But if not, you're gonna say, man, I took that trade. I didn't take that trade. That's your target right there. That is your target to the upside. All right, guys, I'm gonna take a quick break here. Get some coffee real quick. I'm gonna take. Hey, Steve, how's it going? I just saw you in there. Oh, okay. How's the wife? Awesome. Good news. Yes, sir. All right. I looked and I saw that you were in there. All right, guys. Like I said, I can't sell. I'm looking to go up. To be honest with you, I see this thing going up to 73. Oh, I'm sorry. 7. This is your target here to the upside. Come on, baby. Get up there. Get up there. We're going to sell some of this here. We're going to get out of here. Take a little profit here. Put a little bit in the bank here. Put a little bit in the bank. We're going to run with 7 up, 8 up. So I'm going to, here we go. I'm going to take it to 69. Take this to 69. I'm out of here. You got me. So I held on to that one. Anybody make anything on this one to the upside? Okay. Here we go. All right. I'm going to take a little break, guys. I'm just going to. All right. Hold on. Let me answer these guys. Okay. Oh, man. Okay. No, I'm more like a candle reader, or I work on support and resistance. This is going to go down. Look at the candles. So it's telling you once to go down, it's going to push down, and then it's going to try to go up. Push down and then try to go up. So push down, try to go up. Look. Push down and then try to go back up. There it is right there. See that? Push down and try to go back. Mainly what I do is I'm more of a candle reader. This is for the YouTube question. I'm more of a candle reader. I trade on support and resistance. So if you look at my trades, you look at the trades I was doing, they're based on support, right? Support to get a hammer, to get an engulfing bar, to have my support turn into resistance to take a small profit play. One thing that is important is we're not looking for these home runs. We're not looking to get 10 points. We're not looking to get 15 or 20 points. We're not swing trading. We're not position trading. We're somewhat in between scalper, where we're looking to take 2 to 3 points if the market is in our direction. If the market is not in our direction and we're playing a bounce on support, we're looking to take a point, a quick point based only if we get a hammer, we get an engulfing bar on support or on resistance, we'll take a point. If that's not the case, then we'll look for it to break resistance or the previous resistance to go along. Like right now, oh man, let's see. Right now, I see it to the upside. It's coming down, right? It's coming down, but I see it to the upside. 68.50 would be a resistance. I can't sell it. I mean, price would have to come down to 65, 64.50, retrace 64.50 to 65. before I look into selling. And if it does sell, it goes to 63. So I ain't got much room, right? So those are the things that I look at because I am looking at supporting resistance. So based on supporting resistance, that's what I look for. So even if it's sold, I'm only going to 63. So I try to stay away from it. I rather go long because there's no room. There's no room for me at 63. I don't know if that makes any sense. There's not enough room for me to take a profit. So like an aggressive trader would look. An aggressive trader would wait for a hammer. Okay, watch this. I'm just going to show you what an aggressive trader does. An aggressive trader would take right at the close here. Yeah, watch this. That hammer right there, they would take it. That's an aggressive trader. And, I mean, you got to see it before it happens. That's an aggressive. You got to check this out. You got an engulfing bar, breaks resistance. You got a hammer. There is absolutely no reason for it to sell. None. This should rock it up. Now, the market does whatever it wants to do. It's going to do whatever it wants to do. There's nothing we can do because the market will do what it wants. But if you're looking at this, if we were looking at it, we'd see this, that we were offset, right? Meaning this, that the price was offset this way. So if price is offset this way, that means that we would have a target of 71, right? So like I say, the market it's going to do whatever it wants to do. I don't mind taking a loss. What? For my loss? No, I mean, you got to be able to take losses. I don't win them all. Honest truth, I don't win them all. But my winners, I pack up on my winners. Oh, you don't want to see what I made today, that's for sure. But no. So I personally can go short because I'm offset here. Look, I'm offset here, so that offset will give me a target. This is a prediction. Again, the market does whatever it wants to do. Whatever it wants to do, it does, right? So I got resistance, I got support here. So my target to the upside is going to be 70. I'll move this here. That's where it should go. We don't know if it's going to go, but that's where the market should go, to 70. So let's see what it does. We do know that we have resistance here. A lot of resistance. So let's go from here to here. Oh, it's higher than that, it looks like. Ooh, we're going to go right through this one here, hopefully. Yep. Come on, baby. Get up there. Come on. Come on, baby. Get up there. 69.50. It looks like, man, that's not enough room to 69.50. So personally, when I see that I only have a room of 69.50 and I only have a target of 66, I got to be very careful because it'll touch and then sell, touch and sell unless it goes through. So if I close solid here, I know I'm going to go through. It has to close solid. So let's see what happens. Let's see if we close solid. It has to go right through. There you go. There you go. Come on. Come on. Get up there. Get up there. Get up there. Come on, baby. Get up there. 69. Here we go. 69. 69. Can we take a little profit? Can we get a little profit here? 69. Ooh, this is going to be touch. Look what you just got there. Look what you just got there. So the market does whatever it wants to do. See that? We already knew that this is resistance here. So I'm going to put resistance so you'll see resistance right there. Move this out of the way. So this is resistance. This is the high it has. This is where it's trading. Let me see. This is where it's trading. And there's nothing, like there's nothing, 65.50, 65.50, 65.50. So this is a reversal, right? Wow, this is a reversal. Check this out. This is going to sell right here. This is a reversal. Let's see what it does here. It's either going to go to the top, retrace, and continue going up, or it's going to sell. So we do know something here is that we're chopping between 69, and where are we at? 69 and 64. Oh, this is not good. This is not good. So that means price has to. All right. So check this out. This is going to push up. It's going to go sideways. This is not good. So we're going to use this as the bottom, right? We're going to use this as the bottom. I'm going to move this down a little bit, right there. Does that look straight? It looks crooked. Okay. All right. So you got a mixed signal here because price can go up, can go down, and it knows it. Look at the market already knows. The market already knows. This hammer should push down. This inverted engulfing, but let's see what it does. Engulfing, inverted should go down. We should go down to, this is your next level here. That's your next level. But look what the market does. It does whatever it wants to do. Whatever it wants to do. This is no place to buy. If you buy, you're going to get in trouble. The best thing to do is either get out or sell. Get out or sell. Look to go short. If I were you, put one contract, go short, just get the feeling of it to see what direction the market wants to go. All right, we're going to get out of this trade here. Let's get out of this trade here. All right, let's get out of this puppy here. So we're going to sell, let's sell for, oops. No, I'm going to get out of it. It's already taking my profits here. I just saw the inverted hammer, hammer, hammer. Inverted hammer, hammer, engulfing bar, hammer, hammer, engulfing bar, hammer, pushing up. So you're going to push up to 66. Definitely 66. 66, 66.50. Wow. So like I said, you got to pay attention to these candles. Engulfing, hammer, hammer, engulfing, going up. That's why I got out of that position. All right, guys. So you got a retracement here. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. You broke support, so this is going to push to the upside. I'm going to just take a little chance here. Hold on. Man, this is a push to the upside. Let me see. I'm going to only do 5. And that matters, right? Here you go. So, oh, wait. What did I do there? 4. There you go. 4. All right, so let's see what it's called for. I see a little push. Here it goes. The market doing again what it wants to do. The market doing what it wants to do. Okay, so let me draw it out. Let me draw it out real quick. So price comes in. Inverted. This here should push it to the upside. This here should push it to the upside. Hammer, 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 dragon. This should push it to the upside. So for it to go up, I'm going to draw you some notes. So you're going to be looking to go long here. Yes, I see your note. Yes. I see it. I do. I see it. Okay. To me, volume is down, price is up. Volume is down, price is up. So, what's the question? Okay. Tell me. You're talking about support or resistance? No, volume is down, price is up. You got inverted. You got inverted. You got a hammer, inverted, engulfing bar, It's showing you that the price wants to go down. Volume is down. Volume is down, but price is up. So it's telling you that the price wants to go down. Man, that's, I mean, for the next level, I mean, the next level for price to go down would be 61, in between here, 61. That's your next level. No, look at the candles. Look at these candles. These candles are pushing down. They're not pushing up. You got wick, 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 wick. You got inverted, inverted. You got an engulfing bar. You got it inverted, 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 engulfing, wick, 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 wick. This should push down. Yes, you got a bounce here. You got a bounce here, but it's not enough. To me, it's not enough. Even if it bounces, I mean, what? I mean, okay, so let's just say it bounced. Okay. Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. I'd see it to the downside. I don't see it anywhere else. There it is. There's your bounce right there. If you're going to take a bounce, it's right there, but it's still short. It's still short. You didn't get a hammer. You didn't get a hammer to push you up. You may go from 62 to 63 to make a profit. If you went long here, maybe from 62 to 63, but it's not guaranteed. Definitely not guaranteed, because if it breaks this support here, if it breaks support, you're going to 58. Man, those are levels. I mean, these are levels that I call out what I see. Let me see if I can find some at 58. Look, this is history here. So look what you got here. So let's go 58, right? 58. Look at all the traffic. You can go from 58 to 57, 57. The proper place to go would be 55, or the proper place would be 56 to the downside. Like right now, man, I don't know if you can trust it to the upside, bro. I wouldn't be looking to buy. Let me just tell you, I'd be looking to, if the price is going down, let's see where we're at. Let's see. Okay, there it is right there. Look. So look at the trend on it. Look, but look at the trend. I mean, if it breaks support here, your next level is 56. So that's a lot, right? That's a lot. And for price to go to the upside, you would have to break 66 or 68. I mean, it's calling and look at where your pivots are at. No, I just go by what I see and I read candles. So for me, I mean, I see it down. I mean, you know what I mean? I see it down. Oh my goodness. So you're using a bot? Okay, so what is your bot telling you? That it's going up? So your AI software is telling you it's going up. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. I mean, like I said, look, it could go up. The only thing that I'm looking for, I'm just looking to take a small profit and sell. You know, I'm looking to take, okay. Oh, wow. Wow. That's crazy. Okay. That's pretty cool. I mean, what is your drawback? See, I can't do that. Yeah. I see what you're saying, but I can't do that. To have an 8 to 12 point drawback, so that means that I would have. Well, yeah, because you're saying it's 8 to 12. So you're telling me that I would have to take a loss from 8 to 12 points before the market would return, right? Right? Okay. See, I can't do that. I mean, I personally can't. I really can't. If I take an $800 loss, I took an $800 loss. I know that on the next trade, if I get it right in the right directions, I'm looking at that's what I'm looking for. See, like I said, I see it to the downside. That's why I don't trust bots. You know what I mean? I'm going to get out of this trade here. I'm just going to take a small trade profit here. So I'm going to buy. So I'm going to leave it right there. So like I said, I see it going to 56 in that area there. I'm going to go ahead and get out of this trade, but I see, but that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. If you can afford the drawback, then it's okay. But a lot of students or a lot of traders can't afford a draw. Look at the market right now. Who can trade that? Candle showing you its price is going to go up right there. Look, you have the price is going to go up right there. Big green candle right there. It's going to fool you right there. It's going to get you in, and look at the other candle. It's going to draw you back down. So you know what I mean? No, it's long. Now it's long because you broke support. Okay, let's see. Okay, so inverted hammer, hammer, hammer. Inverted hammer, hammer, hammer. Inverted hammer, hammer. Inverted hammer, hammer. Going long, going long. I'm going to take a profit here. I'm going to 64, 64, 65. I'm going to, oh my goodness. Really? What are you doing? Get up there. Get up there. Here we go. Here we go. So my profit area is 60. What am I looking at? Oh, here it is already. Okay, I'm out. I'm going to take this little profit here. Boom. So this is your area of resistance at 65. So that right there, 65, look what happens there. So that's how I read it. So I was able to get 400 out of there, but not really fighting it or struggling with it. I should have got in at 61, 61.50. I waited too long. I waited for like 2 points before I got in. But look, it's easy, man. Okay, so if price comes up, yes. So I would wait. If you're going to put a buy limit, your buy limit would be I would do one contract only at your buy limit right here. I would do your buy limit right there. So if it went through, if it does go through at 65.25, it'll activate you. So what happened here, I saw this thing go. I should have got in here, 61.50. Hammer, hammer, I got in. Hammer, 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 hammer. When it reversed the hammer, I got out. Should have stayed in it, right? Okay, here we go. This is a risky move right here. This is risky here. So we know we're at resistance. This is super risky. We know we're at resistance. I get $100, I'm out of here. Why are you lying, Sonny? Why are you lying? You know you're not going to take the $100. So look what's happened here. Very risky position here. But I know based on history, price is going to go up to this level right here. Based on history, I know price is going to 67. Here we go, 67. Come on, baby, get up there. 67. Give me 67. Give me 67. Nope. Oh, nice. Hammer engulfing. Hammer engulfing. Come on. This should have popped. This should have popped. This should have took off like a rocket here. This should have took off to 66.50, 67. This should have took off here. No reason for it to sell. Let me tell you why. Engulfing. Hammer. You got an inverted. This should have took off. Why are you not taking off? This should go to the upside. Come on, baby. Get up there. What are you doing? Come on, let's go. Get up there. Get up there. Get up there. Get up there. Come on, get up. 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 I'm gonna try to get $100 out of this puppy here. This is, ooh, here we go. Here we go. Come on. Come on. $100 here. $100. Look at this. Inverted hammer. Oh, come on. There's no way. This should have took off. Come on, man. Hammer. This should have took off. So now I'm looking for a candle. I am looking for an engulfing bar, a true engulfing bar to take this candle off. I got a hammer, doji, dragon. This should push. And they definitely do whatever they want, man. No. I mean, look, no. They're going to do whatever they want. They're going to do it. Your job is to look for support, resistance, to read these candles. Even if they're taking a profit, you got to be able to read these candles and know that you're in the right direction. You got to know that you're in the right direction. And if you're in the wrong direction, the candles turn upside down. Let's say the wicks are the top, the body's to the downside, then get out of the trade. It's not going to hurt you. It's not going to hurt you, but you got to know what direction that you're going in. Know where support, know where resistance, know what these candles are telling you. Learn these patterns. Oh, man. I'll tell you right. Let me see. Look. Look at the candles. Look at the candle very closely. Look, I got an inverted. What does that mean? What is those inverted candles telling me? Those are telling me that it should go down. The only way it'll close if this blue line is closed. Actually, the blue line has to be up here. It has to close at 65 to give me a direction. So now you know you're battling here. And if you're uncomfortable, get out of the trade. So right here, you're at 112. If it doesn't feel right, get out. I see it to the upside. I can't get out. I see it to the upside. There's no other way, but I see it to the upside. I can't get out because I see something to the upside. I see my candles wanting to go up to 67.50. Then I got a hammer. I should be getting an engulfing bar here somewhere. I should get an engulfing bar to take out 66. So like I say, for me, it's hard to get out of that trade. Sometimes I'll take a loss because I see something. I see these candles trying to push, but they do what they want. This should pop. This should go straight all the way to 66. There's no reason. Look, I got it. Look, I got a hammer, long-legged hammer. So why is it not pushing up? Why is it not pushing up? At this time, this is where you say, you know what? I got to evaluate. I got to get out of the position. Before I get hurt, I got to get out of the trade. So look, real quick again. I'm going to take this loss here, but check this out. I may take this loss here. So I get an engulfing, I get an inverted, I get a hammer, but then I get a candle on the opposite side. That doesn't look right. So then I get an invert, I get a hammer, long-legged hammer, and it pushes down. So at that point, I got to make a decision. Am I going to stay with this trade? Am I going to hold on to this trade? What am I going to do here? So for me, I see it to the upside, so I can't get out. I see it going to 67. I see it going to 67.50 in that area. So there it goes. This is the target that I see. Let me see. Do we have a target there somewhere? Yes, we do. So my target is 67. There's where I see it going. And I'm going to get out of this and take some profits here. Here we go. What are you doing? All right, I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to read it. This should have pushed to the upside. So it came up to this side. I should have took the 267. Instead, I didn't take the 267. So I want to make some notations here. Look at your candles. Look at your candles. You're offset. You're offset here. Price has to come back to 63, retrace 63. So you need some green candles here. I need some green. I need some green here. I need some green somewhere in here to retrace it to tell me I'm going to go short. Where's my greens? Where's my greens? There you go. Come on, Green. Get up here. Get up here. All right. Here we go. Where's the greens? Where's the greens? Here we go. I got a little retracement there. Not bad. Not bad. I'm not hurting. Not bad. So let's see what it does there. $100. Can we get 100 out of this? There's a little bounce there. There's a little bounce. Come on, here we go. That's all I'm looking for is $100. Looking for $100 here. $100. Come on. Okay. It is. It is. I'm gonna do it right now. I'm gonna show you right now. It is, but I'm gonna show you right now so you'll see it. So let's take this off. I mean, if you're afraid of a loss, is that what you're talking about? Well, no, one thing, you're not gonna get them all right. It's gonna do what it wants to do. I can't. Okay. I see what you're saying, but I don't use bots on my trades. No, I don't use bots. Look, let me show you. You see that right there? All this right here? These are bots. I don't use no bots here. None whatsoever. I don't use bots. See that? So if you're looking at that, you'll see that I don't use any software. You're not the only one that asked that. I mean, there's a lot of people that ask that. I mean, what kind of confirmation would you think AI software would give me? Oh, man. The only thing an AI software would do for me is just get me in trouble. I would stop learning to trade. I would depend on software, and then I would just get in trouble because it wouldn't be good for me. Okay. What do you live on? Let me guess. ChatGPT. Oh, okay. Okay. I've never heard of that company. But I mean, is it working for you? Well, what about this? Let me give you an advice. I mean, what about so what about if you took, instead of taking an 8 to 12 point draw on the trade, why not take 1 point? I mean, why not take 2 points and get out of the market? How about that? Would that help you? Okay. This is a buy, guys. This is a buy here. This is a buy. This is a buy here. Just to let you know, it's a buy. It's a buy. And we're going, look where we're going. 67.50. I feel pretty. Come on, baby. Get up there. 67. Come on. Be nice to us. Come on. Be nice. Be nice. Be nice. Be nice. Be nice. Be nice. Come on. Be nice. 67. 67. Come on. Be nice. Be nice. Be nice to us. Be nice to us. There's our target. And we're going, and we're out of the trade. We got resistance at 69, so we're out of here. 69, that's it. No more. Bye. Capiche. That's as far as I'm going. Ooh, that's as far. Anybody take this trade to the upside? You took it. Okay, so tell me what your software told you to go long. I went long based on support. So here's where I went. So price comes up in here. I see that it hits solid. I go long. I have a drawback, but it's only 1.5 points on my drawback. Price goes through, continues to go through, and so I'm loaded here, and I sell 5 here. They sell 5 more, and then I'm out of the trade. I think I sold 2 here, 3 here, and then I closed the position here. All right, guys. You guys that are on YouTube, I think we any questions? All right. I will be here tomorrow. If you want to come in tomorrow, I will see you tomorrow. All right, guys. Have a good day. Laters. Email me and we'll talk. Email me. Thank you.